see it just a mile away from this crowded place. I could lay there next to you.
How did I stab myself in the eye?
Swings and we've all breached it from the passenger side, but you'd follow the map if you could put it in driver. Tell me, darling, could we run away? We could hide away by the cactus desert blue. I can see it just a mile away from this crowded place. I could lay there next to you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Raquel. What's up, what's good, what's happening? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you for coming to hang out with your girl. You're awesome. I hope you enjoyed these two looks. I cannot pick which one is my favorite. Are you able to pick? Because I can't. I love them both. Like that green look, man, those match just blended in amazingly, and the shimmers, incredible. Chef kiss. Chef kiss. And then the second look, all mattes. I just really wanted to use all the mattes because the mattes are just beautiful. They blend out like a dream. They're so pigmented and amazing. If you're thinking about getting this palette, yes, do it. Go for it. Place that order. I mean, when it's back in stock, place that order. Don't even think about it no more, because if you want it, you got to get it. It's amazing. I'm in love with this palette at first sight. Oh my gosh, RawBeautyKristi did an amazing job, and Colourpop, I couldn't ask for anything better. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you, Kristi, because I know this year has been hectic and crazy for everyone. But oh my gosh, she's having a baby, you guys. She's having a baby, and she collabed with Pure, and she collabed with Colourpop. That has been one of her dreams for as long as I've been watching her channel. That's insane, and it's very inspiring. It's incredible. I haven't used the Colourpop eyeshadow palette in so long, and I'm just like, after using this palette, I'm like, what the heck? I need to pull out all my Colourpop palettes because, oh my goodness, I forgot how amazing the quality is, and it's so freaking affordable. I'm actually about to play with the palette again. I can't get enough. I want to create another look, so that's why I'm looking a little crazy right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which look was your favorite. please subscribe down below if you haven't already. You guys, I'm so excited that I could cry right now. Like, we are really about to hit that milestone of 1,000 subscribers. This may not be a big deal to a lot of people, but I have been on this journey of YouTube for quite a while now, and this has been my goal to make it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and we're going to do it. Just really hope you subscribe to my channel if you're watching this today, so that way you can join my craziness and have fun with watching my videos and hanging out with me. Now that we're like right there, it's just crazy. It's just so exciting. I'm so thankful for you guys. You just have no idea. You motivate me so much, and this is my happy place. YouTube makes me so happy. And shout out to KRISTI and Colourpop for creating a beautiful palette at Forest Sight. Is amazing. That name is so freaking cute. The packaging, when you look at that palette, you know it's KRISTI. It's her wrapped in a package. Like, oh, it's so beautiful, you guys. Like I said, when it comes back in stock, buy it. It's worth every single penny. It's worth all your chochos. I'm telling you. Congratulations, KRISTI. I'm so happy. I'm so proud for you. This is amazing. I have nothing else to say but that I love it and I want to play with it right now. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Wash your hands, wash your booty, and be awesome, stay awesome all day, every day. Peace up, 8-town, down to the ground. To the ground, to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Peace out, homies. Nothing but the hits, nothing but the mother hits. Oh my, who farted? Oh my lord, you're trying to kill me. God. From the bottom of my heart, it's true. Y'all, my cousin Chris just messaged me and said, "Cuz, if I give you a Jeffree Star palette, would you create different looks with it on your channel?" Yes, boo. Of course. What's your man? What palette? Let me...
Going on, I sound a whole lot better.
Ooh, I've had some foundation boogers. Ain't nobody told me.
You're taking me to